Yeah, you're right, I think I might miss my hometown. At times I've got friends and family, they people for who I care, but they got their own lives now. They've got their own lives now. Quiet but confident, that's how I'm playing it. I know I've made some mistakes, but all that I've learned has come from getting burned.